The first step in caring for cracked dry hands involves disinfecting them. This can be done with a gentle bar or liquid soap and warm not hot water. Unscented alcohol-free soaps usually work best because artificial scents and rubbing alcohol may make the condition worse. If the hands have open sores, these must be gently cleaned with a damp cloth. The hands should then be dried on a clean soft towel. If there is any bleeding, the person should wait for it to stop before proceeding with the next step. Moisture is possibly the most important part of caring for cracked dry hands. Petroleum jelly, aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil are all highly recommended moisturizers. Individuals should avoid scented lotions, opting instead for rich, thick, unscented formulas. Some may even prefer making their own lotion recipes by mixing 1 part each of petroleum jelly, aloe gel and vitamin E oil. Chamomile extract and green tea powder may also be very soothing. Most homemade mixtures should be refrigerated but allowed to warm to room temperature before use. The chosen moisturizer should be spread thickly and evenly onto the cracked dry hands and covered with gloves. Cotton gloves work well, as do plastic gloves. Some people like to put plastic gloves on over the cotton gloves to help keep the hands warm and keep moisture from evaporating away from the hands. This is often best done right before bed so the person can wear the gloves overnight. Moisturizing the hands this way should become a ritual until they're fully healed. Another part of healing dry, cracked hands is prevention. When the hands are healing or after they've completely healed, individuals can prevent further damage by avoiding extreme temperatures and skin drying activities. Knit gloves under leather work gloves should insulate the hands during outdoor activities. People who wash dishes by hand should wear rubber gloves for the job. General hand washing should be done with lukewarm water and hands should be thoroughly dried afterward. Individuals should always moisturize their hands after exposing them to dry, cold or hot air.